If you want to play PS5 games at 120Hz on your Xiaomi G24i gaming monitor, we will show you how to properly connect that and configure the monitor settings and enable the 120Hz mode for smoother gameplay and supported games. The Xiaomi G24i features a 23.8-inch Full HD display with up to 180Hz refresh rates and an HDMI 2.0 port, making it capable of running PS5 games at 1080p, 120Hz when configured correctly. So what do you need right now is make sure you have the PlayStation 5 or PS5 Slim, the Xiaomi G24i gaming monitor, HDMI cable, preferably the PS5's included HDMI cable, power cables for both devices, and of course, the first thing that you need to do is connect the PS5 to the Xiaomi G24i. So turn off both the PS5 and monitor. Now connect one end of the HDMI cable to the PS5's HDMI out port. Connect the other end to the HDMI port on the Xiaomi G24i. Power on the monitor and turn on the PS5. The Xiaomi G24i includes an HDMI 2.0 port that supports high refresh rate gaming at 1080 solutions. Then you need to select the correct input source. So I need you to press the joystick button on the back of the monitor, open the input source menu, select HDMI. Wait for the PS5 display to appear and configure the monitor after that. For the best gaming experience, open the monitor's OSD menu, enable gaming mode if available, set response time to fast or highest, and enable adaptive sync, FreeSync if the option is available, and save the settings. After that, do not forget to enable the 120Hz on PS5. So to do that, go to Settings, select Screen and Video, open Video Output, scroll down to 120Hz output and set it to automatic. You can also enable Performance Mode, Variable Refresh Rate if supported by your display setup, and after that, you want to make sure to enable the Performance Mode. So to do that, go to Settings, select Save Data and Game or App Settings, choose Game Presets, and set Performance Mode or Resolution Mode to Performance Mode. This prioritizes higher frame rates in supported games. Verify the 120Hz is working, which is going to be the final and the most crucial step. So to do that, open Settings, click the Screen and Video, Video Output Information, and check the current refresh rate. Launch a game that supports 120 FPS such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, Apex Legends, Rainbow Six Siege, and Destiny 2. So move only games to 120Hz while gameplay is active. Now, if in case the 120Hz doesn't appear, just check the HDMI cable and set the resolution to 1080p and update your PS5, or sometimes you need to test with a supported game. The Xiaomi G24i is a great budget gaming monitor for PS5 players for looking for smooth 1080 20Hz gameplay. I've been using that as well, so all I have to do is simply connect the PS5 via HDMI, enable the 120 output in performance mode in the console settings, then launch a compatible game to enjoy higher frame rates. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.